In this lecture, I'll show you how to calculate future value annuity due with other compounding periods using Microsoft Excel. As you calculated future value annuity with other compounding periods using Excel, here also we use the same, but for that same function, we'll give one more parameter as an input. So that's the only difference between calculating future value annuity ordinary and future value annuity due. Let us see how to calculate that. Here is an example to calculate future value annuity due with other compounding periods. On first of every month, you pay $100 into an insurance endowment account that pays 7.5% compounded monthly. You can say this as 7.5% per annum compounded monthly. Alright, and if you continue the payments for the next 20 years, how much money will be in your account? So your annual rate is 0.075. Then number of compounding periods 12. Then your compounding rate will be this equals to annual rate upon compounding periods. So this is 0.00625, and years, how many years you are making investment? For 20 years. So 20, and then your total number of payments is number of years times compounding periods in a year, and payment in each period is $100. So minus $100. Now your future value equals to future value. Then select the rate. Here you have a compounding rate. This is monthly compounding rate. This comma number of periods. You need to choose the total number of periods. So total number of periods is 240. Then comma payment. Each period you are making a payment of $100. So select this one. Comma present value. There is no present value. Simply place another comma to exclude this. Then here in a type, in case of ordinary, we have not given any type. So that means the payment is made at the end of the period. But in this case, you are making payment the first of every month. So you need to select beginning of the period. Beginning of the period is 1. You can place a 1 here. That means the payment is made in the beginning of the period. Then close the bracket, press enter key. So you will have $55,719 in your account at the end of the 20th year. This simple is calculating future value annuity due with other compounding periods using Microsoft Excel. Thank you. Have a great time.